Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to look at the pros and cons of Pixlr. You see Pixlr. You see, Pixlr is the Photoshop wannabe that might just steal your lunch money. What do I mean? Let's be real, not all of us can afford Photoshop, and some of us just want to remove a zit without selling a kidney. So this is where Pixlr comes in. It is the free-ish online editor that promises Photoshop-like powers without the soul-crushing subscription. But is it a hidden gem or just a knockoff with delusions of grandeur? Grab your mouse and maybe a snack and let's dive in. Pixlr. It can give you good results, bad results, and it can even make your background now transparent. So let's start with the first category. We have price. When it comes to the price, it has a free version, unlike Photoshop that wants your firstborn. The con is that the premium features cost money, but hey, at least it doesn't cost you your mortgage. When it comes to ease of use, it is simple enough that your grandmother could mimify her cat. But when it comes to the con, it is user-friendly until you accidentally merge all your layers into oblivion. When it comes to the features, yes, it has a lot of features like filters, layers, and tools that make you feel like a pro. So it helps you fake it till you make it. But the con, it is missing some fancy Photoshop tools like RIP, content aware fill. So it's missing those. Now when it comes to speed, not Photoshop. When it comes to speed, it loads faster than Photoshop, which takes roughly a coffee break to open. And it is fast. Unfortunately, it is fast until your browser crashes because you opened 12 tabs. And when it comes to ads, there are free version that has ads. But hey, nothing in life is truly free. But the con is that whenever you use it, you see upgrade now. It keeps popping up more than your ex's LinkedIn updates. You keep seeing updates now on the screen. So get ready for that. What's the final verdict? We are thinking, should you ditch Photoshop for Pixlr? Well, if you're a casual editor and a meme lord, your answer should be yes. Heck yes. Just take it. Just go to Pixlr. Get a bumper sticker for Pixlr and attach it to your car. But if you're a pro and you're a pixel perfect snob, don't go for Pixlr. Just open your Photoshop in peace. Pixlr is like the cool budget-friendly cousin of Photoshop. It is good for quick fixes, but bad for complex acts, and great for pretending you know what you are doing. So use it to edit, but maybe don't quit your day job. P.S. If your Pixlr masterpiece goes viral, Photoshop will still judge you. Haters are gonna hate. They're going to hate you. If you are still unsure, try removing a photo bumper. If it works, you are golden. If it turns them into a floating head, well, at least it was free. Hope you found this video helpful.